This lesson covers the Windows deployment services and how we can use it to deploy operating systems in our Microsoft-centric environment. The details of this module include different ways we can install operating systems, an introduction to the WS technology, how to install and configure WDS and actually add operating system images to it, deploying operating systems using Windows deployment services, and the different options for booting over the network or booting from a Discovery Media, how we can update and maintain images, and then some other options for image deployment where Windows deployment services may not be the best option. If you look at how you deploy your operating systems today, you probably use a few different methods. The most basic is you take a DVD, you burn the ISO image that you can download from Microsoft containing your server operating system or desktop operating system, you insert it into the computer you're installing to, and you manually perform the installation. While this gives you a lot of flexibility in the installation process, it's also highly manually intensive, and you can generally only be at one machine at a time, making it very time consuming. Another option is you can actually take that same ISO file and burn it to a USB device. This enables a faster installation, but is still highly manually intensive. What more organizations are looking at today is automating these installation processes by enabling machines to boot over the network. And this is exactly what Windows Deployment Services enables. It enables a PXE boot, basically booting over the network to then deploy an operating system. By booting over the network and connecting to a centralized deployment environment, it's possible to not only deploy the operating system, but also to perform most of the configuration in a light touch deployment methodology. A zero-touch deployment methodology is also possible using products such as System Center Configuration Manager.